Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for joining us again today. I've got a very short video for you today that will show you how to create a Weebly website for free. So just before I do so, once you've watched this video, you can click the link in the description down below and that will take you straight to a free trial version of Weebly. So that'll be able to, you can fully utilize that then once you've watched the video and make your own website. And the best way to learn these things is to just give it a go. The video is going to be very short. We're just going to give you a brief overview of what to do, and you just need to go and do it and learn the manual way. So when you first log into Weebly, after you click that link down below, you will be met with a wizard, which is a step-by-step guide in how to create a website. Just in case that you appear on this dashboard, go to the top right-hand corner, click My Site, and then Add Site. So that will then launch this wizard. We're just going to use a simple plain website for today's example. You can also make one with a store in it already. And have a look through these different categories. Spend some time browsing what's there and just have a very good look around and you know, find a template which closest resembles what you're looking for so that you can evolve it into exactly what you're looking for to suit your needs. So we're just going to go with this one. And then once you've clicked it, you can see that you can browse the site briefly and give it a preview, and then once you want to select that site to start editing it, it's in the top right hand corner. The first thing that will happen is it will pop up a dialog box which asks us if we want to connect it to a custom URL, and at the moment we do not want to do that. We're just going to build a website for free, and you can do that at a later stage under the settings menu. So we're just going to close that. Like I said, once you want to connect it to your custom URL, you'll need to go to the settings at the top here under the menu, and that will allow you to access the settings to the website and the SEO and manage your members and things like that. But you can relaunch that little wizard to connect it by just hitting change there. Build is the main view, and you can see that all of these elements on the left hand side appear. They cover most of the things that normal web design is required, and you know, it's a case of very simply just clicking and dragging them into the website. And you can see that when you do select things, that you're able to kind of deposit it in different areas depending on where that blue bar appears. So things are very simple to edit. Once you've got the web browser open, you can just single click things and a little menu appears corresponding to whatever you've got selected, and then you can just double click text to select it, for example, and just type in whatever you need to instead. You can replace images very easily by single clicking them and just hitting replace, and you can kind of, you know, make them into links, and it's very, very easy, very intuitive, and very you know, accessible. Pages then is managed there under the pages menu, and you can see and access all of the pages on your website. You can reorder them and restructure them, which changes their appearance in the menu of your website and the order that they appear there. You can add a new page then by clicking that little plus symbol, and that will give you some basic templates that you can choose from, and that will allow you to add, you know, a new page to your website, which automatically appears in the window in the menu, and you can give that a name and so on and so forth. And that's it. You know, once you've sort of constructed your website and it looks and feels the way you want it to, you can hit publish in the top right hand corner, and that'll make it available for public view. And that concludes the tutorial. So to give it all a go now and find out for yourself how easy it is, click that link in the description down below. If you've enjoyed the video and you want to see more content of this nature, give us a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you've got any questions or comments or anything like that, leave them down below as well. Thank you very much.